Tryškiai Church of the Holy Trinity was built in 1751 on the initiative of the priest Burneika. However, later it was rebuilt more than once. At the end of the 19th century, the church was extended, the main facade was altered. In 1928, a new tower was built. A monumental church of moderate expression represents folk stylistics of Samogitian churches. The church has a form of the Latin cross, 3 naves with a transept, side vestries, and a 3-wall apse. Built on a tall socle of broken fieldstones, walls of cut-hewed logs are bordered vertically with planks covering the joints of the boards. The profiled cornice of the eaves surrounds the perimeter of the church. The slanting tin roof ends in a jerkin head in the main facade. Somewhat lower transepts are covered with gable roofs, the vestries are covered with mono-pitched roofs, and the apse is covered with the roofs of 3 sloping sides. A small quadrilateral turret with small eyebrow windows, small pediments, and multifaceted spire, which is a little recessed, looms at the junction of the transept and the nave. Onion pedestals with crosses are placed on the transepts and the verges of the presbytery and the main facade. The only ornate element of the main facade is a broad pent roof. A wide stairway and 2-leaved door bordered in a rhomboidal pattern with a narrow bay window of 3 glass parts lead to the Church of the Holy Trinity of Tryškiai. Over the pent roof there is a white quadrangular window. Other windows of the church are also divided into small rectangular forms. The interior is 3-naved with lower chapels of the transept. The prodomos is walled off. The choir space over it is with balconies supported by columns. The most valuable element of the interior is the side altar of the Blessed Virgin Mary of the scapular. This is a Baroque altar of the 17th century, decorated with openwork vine columns and wide wings of openwork plant decor, framing the sculptures of the saints. The ensemble of the Church of the Holy Trinity can boast one of the most unique belfries surviving in the region. The belfry, inserted in the fence of the church, was built in the 18th century and has features of Baroque and Classicism. It is of a tall rectangular volume with an extended lower part. The upper part is adorned with a double arcade and the cornice of a dentil decor. Segmental arcades are carved. The upper part ends in a pyramid capping covered with shingle with an onion pedestal with a cross. The churchyard is surrounded by a stone wall with 14 brick chapel Stations of the Cross. The main 3-part red brick gate is with segmental arches. Tall poles of the gate have pyramid tin capping. Planes with decorative arch holes are built between them.